This is an abandoned bunker. So scary. It's like a cave you'd find in Minecraft. No, but seriously, legends say this cave was built in order to hide government secrets in case of a nuclear disaster.
And I just wanted to mine diamonds like Steve. I actually have no idea if there are diamonds in there. Who knows what could be lurking in the shadows. But what I do know is the journey there is definitely not for the average hiker.
So why would I risk my life to go to such a place?
Allow me to give you some context.
2 weeks ago, I found a letter on my doorstep.
Ooh, a secret admirer.
I opened up the letter and found out it was from a guy named Bruno, who happens to be a subscriber. Bruno told me he thought I had a lot of potential on YouTube, but I need better ideas if I want to go big. Finding great ideas is like Minecraft. You don't just find diamonds walking around on the surface. You have to go into a cave and dig deep. I couldn't tell if this was a figure of speech or if he was literally saying go into a cave.
I just read Bruno's letter and I have no idea what to do.
I had no choice but to start searching for caves that I could go to. And 5 hours later, it was love at first sight.
It is the day of the cave expedition. Yeah, I'm supposed to be going today, right now, soon. Actually, my friend just texted me they are here. Okay, let's go. Now you might be thinking there's a problem here. How could I have any friends? Well, first of all, you're wrong. And here is the squad for today's trip. We got Grace, Evan, Ellie, Kira, and last but definitely not least, me. Thanks for the support, guys. Anyway, the cave was still like an hour away from me and the squad. Whoa, a private parking lot? Whoa! This is actually such a cool place. This was supposed to be a super cinematic shot of me in front of the view, but it ended up looking like this. So here's this amazing shot that Evan took. Which reminds me, on the car ride here, I told Evan I would pay him $5 to be my cameraman. The catch? The video needs to hit 1,000 likes. Evan was determined to film the best video possible. What is this guy doing? This kid does not know how to film. This kid does not know how to film videos, man. Please like the video for Evan. He's trying so hard. We started the hike. I'm scared right now. Are we there yet? Does this cave even exist? We're on the edge of a cliff.
We continued to hike, and then I told Evan I needed some really good B-roll, and let me tell you, he did not disappoint.
There's a fork in the trail. Okay, let's just go this path. Yeah, this actually like goes towards the mountains, so I think it's the right place.
Really? That's sick.
Dude, what was that? Is that a bear? Oh my gosh, dude, there's a bear, I swear. We gotta run. Go. Film me running, bro. Film me running. I need this footage.
How are you feeling? Ellie was driving like a crazy person with her hands crossed. Because Grace took us the wrong way. I did not. Actually, the maps took us the wrong way, but Grace put in the map. Kira.
What's the question?
I didn't really think about that. How are you feeling?
Pretty good.
How was the trip here? Hopefully Grace didn't ruin it for you too. Huh? Luke, when are you gonna drop the music?
Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur.
Coming soon.
Kira, I got new pants.
Yep.
Grace also got new pants.
I feel good.
Rate your bucket hat.
I don't even think it can be rated. I was born with this hat on, man.
Then why didn't I see you with it the other day?
It has an invisible mode. Ready? Watch. I'm gonna flip a switch. Look at that.
I can still see it. You're supposed to remove it from the frame.
Uh-oh, another fork in the road. How many options we got? Oh, guys, do you know this one says cave. It says cave, so we're going that way. Guys, Evan got ahead of us and now I'm scared. Evan, are you alive? I think Evan got bear napped. Evan's gone. Oh my goodness.
Who is that?
I don't know if you guys can tell, but Evan is clearly worried about the $5. Please, help this man.
It's been at least an hour and we're not there yet. Guys, we've been hiking for 2 hours and we're not there. I'm turning back.
Up the number. 2 hours is light.
We've been hiking for 10 hours. The view's nice though. Guys, no way. I can't believe this. We actually are here at the cave. No, Evan, don't go in yet. Guys, you can't go in.
This clip makes it look like my friends were looking for any chance to get away from me, and it hurts.
My friends left me, so I'm just gonna go in the cave alone in the dark. Here we go.
Wait here for Luke. Jump out.
I am literally alone right now inside of a cave.
scared right now. It's really dark. Guys, I'm really scared right now.
Oh no, it's Pablo! Dude! Yeah, dude, I first saw the red light and I was like, oh, we're so right now.
Anyways, a lot of this footage coming up is super dark, and just so that you guys have some idea of what this place looks like, I did this cave tour, so I'm just gonna play that now. Yeah. Okay guys, quick tour of the cave. First of all, up here, we have the, this doesn't really go anywhere. There's two sections. This section's way cooler, okay? Walk in here. We got a little nice living room here. This is a bit of a party section. Kind of scary. Oh, that's nice. As we walk down here, two more rooms. I don't know what that is. Two more rooms. There's some nice artwork. Then we keep going. Two more rooms again. That's Among Us. I am so sorry right now. I am sorry you have to see that. Yeah, another room. And then we come to the end of the tunnel. Yeah. Now I gotta walk back alone. What was that? What was that? Is that a creeper? That edit took me way too long, so please just spam Luke. That was amazing in the comments so I can boost my ego. I'm serious.
This is so cool.
I like this. I'm happy I'm the cameraman.
That's good.
Despite not having a cameraman, I still had two very important goals for this place. Explore the entire thing and hopefully not die trying. If I can do those two things, then I will have done what Bruno told me to do.
Okay, everybody turn their lights on.
3, 2,
1. Okay, I don't think my eyes are gonna adjust. Okay, I have a genius idea. We all have to try to get out of the cave. In the dark.
Okay, good idea.
Last person to get a concussion wins.
Guys, you can still see light from the entrance. We gotta go deeper. No!
Cracked.
Is it cracked?
Yeah, it's cracked.
Are you serious? Sketch. 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 What is that? What the? I'm gonna go to the back. What is that? What on earth am I looking at? By this point, I had accomplished my goals and done everything that Bruno told me to do. And as I walked out of the cave, glowing like an actual angel, I realized Bruno's letter and what he told me was wrong. What he said had me so caught up in the content that I almost forgot the real reason I was there. So as I said goodbye to the cave, bye cave, goodbye, I promised myself one thing: to always live in the moment. Oh, and also, we don't talk about Bruno.